Cue the bonfire. Ta-da!
Guy Fawkes, as you know, is the man who tried to blow up the Houses of Parliament in 1605. There are some people here tonight at this party who may not think that's an entirely bad thing, trying to blow up a building packed with politicians. I'm afraid I couldn't possibly comment.
I think it's really important to support the children that are in hospitals and that need our special attention.
Congratulations!
What we are doing is to organize entertainment programs for sick children in hospitals.
Let me say a very, very deep thank you to you all.
Congratulations, you're a winner.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Adrian's a winner. Congratulations.
On behalf of expertloop.com, I'd like to say how grateful we are to everybody for coming this evening and making this charity evening special for the Smiling Hospital Foundation. All the sponsors have pulled together, united behind that cause around the theme of Guy Fawkes Night. It's a great evening.